How to log in or sign in to TD Ameritrade account. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Ameritrade login and further tap on the option that says TD Ameritrade login. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see the click here to log in button. Tap on that. You will now be led to the login portal, so go ahead and enter your user ID and password and tap on the Remember Login ID checkbox if you want the device to remember your user ID. Now, select the start page that you want to be redirected to after logging in and tap on the login button. And with this, if the login details you entered is correct, then you will be logged in successfully. Also, if you have forgotten your login ID or password, then you can tap on the Forgot Login ID or Password option and recover your login credentials and log in further. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.